Think about the last time you stepped into a five-star hotel lobby. That crisp, expensive air hits you immediately, making everything feel cleaner and more sophisticated. It is a powerful psychological trick that brands use to make us feel like we are living our best lives. Naturally, we all want that same vibe in our living rooms without having to pay $500 a night for a suite. This desire is exactly what fuels the massive marketing engine behind the latest luxury home fragrance gadgets taking over your social media feeds. You have seen the ads for this specific scent machine. They show sleek interiors and promise a seamless experience using cold air technology to fill every corner of your home with premium oils. It sounds like the ultimate upgrade for anyone who loves a good aesthetic. But when you look past the beautiful lighting and the curated influencer videos, the reality of this particular scent diffuser gets incredibly messy. We are looking at a classic case of expectation versus reality that seems to be leaving a lot of people with empty wallets and oily carpets. The promises a self-movement feed, a flashy advertisement feed, and a flashy advertisement feed. On paper, it is a dream. In practice, however, a massive chunk of the people who actually bought this thing are reporting a total nightmare. When you start digging into the actual feedback from real human beings who spent their hard-earned money, the five-star facade starts to crumble. Over half of the reviews on major platforms are sitting at a single star. That is a massive red flag for any product claiming to be a premium luxury item. Users are constantly talking about units that arrive broken or stop working after just a few days. Then there is the leaking. There is nothing luxury about finding a puddle of expensive fragrance oil ruining your side table or your floor. This oil is not just messy, it can be destructive to furniture finishes and fabrics. Even the tech side of things seems to fall short. The app connectivity is a major sticking point, with people struggling to even get the device to talk to their phones. It turns out that making a machine blow scent into a room is easy, but making it reliable is another story entirely. Think about the frustration of paying a premium price for a smart device that turns out to be pretty dumb when it matters most. Of course, it is not all bad news for everyone. Some people get a unit that works perfectly and they absolutely love the scents. They say the fragrance quality is genuinely impressive and it does transform their space into a sanctuary. But the problem is consistency. You should not have to gamble on whether your expensive home upgrade is going to be a functional centerpiece or a piece of plastic junk. The marketing hype is doing some heavy lifting here. It paints a picture of a seamless, high-end lifestyle, while the customer support side seems to be struggling to keep up with the waves of complaints. It is a cautionary tale about the power of a good ad. We see these beautiful visuals, and we want that feeling so badly that we overlook the warning signs. If you are chasing that hotel lobby dream, you might want to look at more established brands or simpler solutions that do not rely on buggy apps and questionable hardware. A true luxury experience should be relaxing, not a source of stress and technical troubleshooting. In the end, this device feels more like a social media trend than a long-term home investment. It is a reminder that just because something looks like a five-star experience in a 30-second clip, it does not mean it will actually deliver when it lands on your doorstep. Your home deserves better than a beautiful box that fails to deliver on its basic promises. When you invest in your home environment, you want reliability and peace of mind. You want a scent that lingers in a good way, not a headache from trying to fix a broken pump or a disconnected app. There are so many ways to make a house smell like $1,000,000, but this specific path seems to be paved with more frustration than fragrance for the average buyer. Keep your eyes open and your expectations grounded, because the sweetest smells sometimes come from the most deceptive packages.